Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. This is part 2 of a Destash haul, so bear with me. Once again, this is from Louisa's Destash, from My Crafty Boutique. I don't know which one this one is. I don't remember, so let me... Last time we did this was a mess, so let's see. Oh my gosh. Do it this way. Okay. Yep. Alright, so this is the girly Destash. So once again, we got another set of notepads. This is the flamingo. Very cute. I like that. I can see that being used. Here are some girly, some lips. Oh, these are pretty. And some eyelashes, some stickers, and there's like a little paper clip there. And then this, just some blank note cards. That's cute, little bunny. I like that. Another girly note card, blank note cards again. And this is all Hallmark, so guys, very cute. Don't forget, Dollar Tree carries Hallmark cards. This one, I guess these are just note cards again. So there's 3 note cards in there. Very cute. And these are the Hobby Lobby girls. I already have these, I think. But look at how cute they are. It's cardstock. So these are stickers, guys. So if you get them, don't forget to peel off the back, or at least the part of it which you want to stick down to. Very cute. I'm gonna try to go quick, okay, so we can see everything. So there's quite a few different kinds of girls in here. 8 designs. So there's 8 different girls in that set. Ooh, I like these style note cards. Hello, Bright Eyes. Very pretty. So these go in pretty much the same style cards. It says Hi Sweets. There's 2 in there. And this one says Smile. There's 4 in there. Very cute. So these are also from Hobby Lobby, and these are the like patches, but they're stickers. They're embroidered stickers. Yeah. There's adhesive on the backs. And then we have these Paper Studio note tags. These are cute girls. Very cute. So it should be like 4 styles. There's 3. Okay. And then you have these gigantic head tags, which I own 3 different styles, 4 of each. So I don't know how many is left in there. This is from Dollar Tree, I believe, and it's by 3 Bird Studios. Border stickers. Okay, I think I have this one also. Very cute. More of these, please. Here's another notepad. This one says magnet on the back. So it says Girl Boss. So there's notepads right there. Park Lane, I believe, is Joanns. I've never seen this collection because I never shop at Joanns. Oh, look at the background. That's cute. I want to see what these feel like. I've never, like I said, never had them. Never had it before. Let's see. Oh, they're like washi, guys. So like washi stickers. Very delicate. Very cute. Use those in, I can't think now. Planners and stuff. Okay. Never had these before, so very cute. That's what's in the bag, or what comes in it. This is just another set of the same. So that's 2 sets, pretty much. Very good, because now we can have all of them. Okay, these I've received some of these from Christian's Crafty Adventure. So yes, more of these foamies. They're so cute and fun. Look at this guy. Cupcake in a floaty, flamingo floaty. Yes, so we've got some of these from Christian's Crafty Adventures. Thank you, Christian, and thank you, Louisa. I'm going to put this up with the rest of them, and that way I know what I have and I can share them also. Here's more note cards. Hello, hello, hello. Very cute. I have some note cards. I don't have to make note cards again. Looking fabulous. These could go into Happy Mail. And then we have some of these girls. Ooh, I like these girls. These girls are cute. And they're thick like me. They're not the skinny, frowny girls. Okay, so look. They're not little skinny women. They're real women with real bodies. I love that. Very cute. This, I'm assuming, is a Hobby Lobby sticker. Yep. Stick abilities. Hobby Lobby girls. We have some of these from Dollar Tree. I've never seen these. I'm so excited to have them because I can put them into some more of my projects. We've got some stickers, some pineapple gold stickers right here. Another sticky notepad, very cute. I could share. I'm not going to use all of them all at once. And here is a completely unused Sunny Days sticker collection. 2, 4, 6, 8 sheets of stickers. I'm not going to take it out, guys. You've all seen this. So we're going to put that to the side because we're going to use that. Here's another notepad. XOXO. These are so cute. Cute, cute. She's really good at collecting these things and making her traveler's notebooks look really like adorable. These are from Dollar Tree, and I have picked up some of these and gifted them as soon as I had them. And then I went back to Dollar Tree to get more, and they were gone. So what comes in this are some note cards, and you get note paper and the envelope. So if you want to send out a real quick hello, hey, whatever envelope, it's all here for you. Write your note, in your card, and it's ready to go. These, I believe, are also from Dollar Tree. I did not see these at my Dollar Tree, and she has she has 5 of these, so I could definitely share these in Happy Mail. Here is some Sunny Days bows. I never picked those up. More Sunny Days, and look, she got them in clearance, guys. I don't know where she got them in clearance, but they were on clearance. And these are the ephemeras. I believe I used my ephemeras for that collection. These are just ribbon samples. You got flamingos, you got the little palm leaves, like a marble ribbon, and a pink. Very cute. And then we have more of the gold stickers, pineapple stickers. I'm going to put these guys together. Get those stacked up together. And then we have some of these. I believe they came from one of those books. You know what I mean? The sticker books. That's cute too. XOXO. Those are from Hobby Lobby, and they're thickers. They're thick. Oh, these are nice. I like that. And then she's got like 2 little baggies, flamingo baggies. Very cute. See what I mean? And then she's got these felt. These are felt sheets. 77 cents. Where'd she get them? This might be from Hobby Lobby. Yeah, Hobby Lobby. So cute. 2 of these. That would be cute to use, to play with. And she destashed a whole paper pad, and this is Sunny Days project paper pad. So the corner got a little jammed, but that's okay. So this paper pad has the solid colors that you could play with. I love these pinks in here. I love this shell and the green. I used this paper pad last summer. I didn't have the project pad, but this one has glitter white glitter, gold glitter, and then some gold foiling on some of the cut aparts. Some gold foiling there. These are the alpha stickers, and then just the cardstock, or not cardstock, but the, you know, the stickers. So that's a nice paper pad to have. I'm excited for this one. I loved it at Hobby Lobby. I never picked it up though, and mainly because it was so expensive, 20 bucks. So I hope she didn't get it at 20 bucks. This paper is textured, but it's not cardstock, guys. It's just a heavier weight paper. Look at the shades on here. So pretty. So I love this, and you get 3 of each design. Very pretty. I love it. Black and white. There's those girls, and then it just says blah 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 blah. Some hearts, some flowers, some black and white, the flamingos, the palm leaves. Oh my gosh, I love this paper pad. It's got a sheen to it, a little bit of a sheen also. So that will be interesting to play with because I never had it. So here's another one. She did use this one, but that's okay. This is called Hey Girl, also from Hobby Lobby, and she did use it, so there will be some pages that are cut up, and I'm so busy. Yeah, you still have 3 pages of each design. This also has that feel of like texture on there, very slight texture. Love that black and white, boy. Gorgeous, gorgeous papers. So there you go. Let me hurry this up, and I think this is the end of my Destash. There will be a 3rd one coming. It's just not here yet. This is gorgeous. I love that black and white. And then here we have that, yes girl, cityscapes. There's the cut aparts with the girls on there. They're adorable too. Get it, girl. Yes, 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 yes. Black and white. You got papers, and you got the mascaras, and there's the girls. She got cut up, and the lips are gorgeous. It's so cute. So there it is. That's it for my Destash, guys, for today. The 3rd one, when it gets in, I will make that also. So thank you all for joining me, and I'll see you on the next Destash haul. Bye.